Hello and welcome. My name is Tatiana Regina, and this is the practice of Yoga Nidra, a practice of sacred rest in a direct line to your innate wisdom. You can begin today's practice by lying down on your mat or a flat surface with a pillow, a blanket, and something light to cover your eyes. As you settle in for today's practice, lay each part of you down with gentle care, allowing for your legs to find their full length, relaxing the toes to the sides, placing your arms out along the side of your body and allowing palms to open up or face in. But if you prefer, you can always place your hands upon your body in a way that feels nurturing to you. You can allow your neck to relax into its length, and for your eyes and jaw to soften. And now call back your mind so it can be here with you now in this moment and participating in this practice. And you can call back your spirit and ask that it cozy back into your heart space. And as your spirit returns to your call, it begins to coil itself neatly at your heart center. And as it does, you begin to feel a warming sensation as all of your love returns home. And now call upon your breath. As your lungs deepen their relationship with oxygen, you allow your breath to become your steady anchor within this practice. Feel your breath and the way it gently flows through your nose and pools in your lungs. Notice the way your lungs create space for your heart. Feeling how this healing element can come and do its magic as you inhale and exhale, rhythmically expelling each cleansing breath. And as you soften into your anchored breath, you can release all effort as we now begin the practice of Yoga Nidra. To live with a tender, open heart is to live in your true strength. The rooted strength that comes from walking alongside your vulnerability like a friend. When your heart is tender, it is growing. It is healing. It is opened to a new depth, and with this comes the feeling of a tender muscle. but your heart is becoming stronger. It grows so that it can let more love in, so that you can feel the love that resides within everything. Your heart grows as a gift so you can feel connection in a whole new way. And this love begins to flow in, filling the space around you, and then following your inhale into your lungs like flowing water. And you feel into your heart center. And a sense of gratitude begins to rise from the depths of your heart, moving your awareness from the back of your heart space that rests upon the earth beneath you, and rising up to meet the front of your heart space. And you feel as your heart soaks itself in this gratitude bath that you have created. And then from the pool of gratitude at your heart center, a small stream begins to form, flowing down to your right thumb. And you follow this stream of gratitude as it expands and flows to the very tip of your right thumb. And then over to your pointer finger, middle finger, ring finger, and pinky finger. It pools in the palm of your right hand and flows across the back of your right hand. Up through the center of your wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, into the shoulder and the underarm. It flows down the right side of your rib case, across the right side of your waist, and into the center of your right hip. It continues to flow down your thigh, through your knee, lower leg, and ankle. It flows across the top of your foot and the bottom of your foot, and into the tip of each one of your toes, beginning with the big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and fifth toe, as you feel the whole right side of your body flowing together. And this stream of gratitude then begins to pool at the tip of your left thumb, feeling the stream from your heart moving down to the very tip of your left thumb. It then flows over your left pointer finger, middle finger, ring finger, and pinky finger. It pools in the palm of your left hand and over the back of your hand. It flows through the center of your wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, and underarm. It flows down the left side of your rib case and the left side of your waist into the center of your left hip. It flows down into your thigh, through your knee and lower leg, into your ankle. It flows across the top of your foot and the bottom of your foot, and then into the tip of each of your toes, starting with the big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and fifth toe. Feel the left side of your body flowing together. This stream then flows into your left heel and your right heel, the back of your left calf and the back of your right calf, through the back of your left knee and your right knee, through your left hamstrings and your right hamstrings, into your pelvis, lower back, upper back, up the length of your neck and across the back of your head. It continues to flow across the top of your head, gently cascading down your left temple to your left ear, and your right temple and the right ear, and then flowing into the space between both ears. And then the stream flows across your forehead and eyebrows. It pools at your eye sockets and moves down the length of your nose. It flows across your left cheekbone and your right cheekbone, your lips and jaw, down from the point of your chin, across the center of your throat, flowing across your left collarbone and your right collarbone, across your left nipple and your right nipple, down the front of the abdomen, all the way down until it pools at the bottom of your pelvic floor, filling the entirety of your pelvic bowl. And then you feel how this stream of gratitude from your heart has filled and flowed across your entire body. As you feel the entirety of your body flowing together as one. And now bring your awareness to gently rest at the center of your heart. As you invite in the experience of feeling heavy or weighted, allowing the sensations that accompany heaviness to be witnessed without story. As you call in to experience the feeling of heavy or weighted. And now release that experience. And call in the sensations of light, allowing the experience of lightness to be witnessed without story. Calling in the experience of feeling light. And then release that experience as you once again draw back into the experience of feeling heavy, allowing yourself to move a little deeper into the experience as you call in and then observe the sensations of heaviness. And then let that experience go. Releasing yourself as you call in the feeling of light. Allowing yourself to move a little deeper into the experience of lightness. and then release this experience and rest yourself gently back in your heart center. And we awaken the wisdom of the heart center. Feeling its wisdom emanate at the center of your chest. And then you pull and draw a cord out of this glowing ball of energy at your heart center, drawing it upwards to connect with your third eye center, the space between your brows. And you feel as these two spaces connect, a thin glowing cord between. And this cord opens and allows for the communication between the heart center and the third eye center to flow effortlessly. And you allow your gentle attention to flow up to your third eye center. And then softening backwards to meet the center of your mind, the space between your ears. And in this space, you begin to cultivate an image of your heart. Noticing any dents, bumps, bruises, any cuts or holes or spaces. And you take note of every detail of your heart. And then with care, you pull out a beautifully decorated box. Feeling the texture of this box beneath your fingertips as you draw it in next to you. And you begin to lift the lid. And as you do, a shimmering light emerges. Within this box holds any item you may need to begin repairs on your heart. And you prepare by bringing each item out of the box one by one. And you use what you need. Perhaps it's a healing salve infused with unconditional love, or a golden thread of appreciation. Whatever it is you need, you open up to listen and receive guidance as you begin to flow into the work. once you have finished, you can neatly place all items back within the box, closing the lid and sliding it back out to the ethers with gratitude. And then you take a look back at your heart, noticing its new vibrance and shimmer, and feeling as the grand radiance in which it possesses beams forth. And you open to feel into the fullness of your heart. And you feel the beat of your heart in your chest. Noticing the strength of the beat and its solid, grounded rhythm. And you feel the warmth that radiates from it. And emerging from your heart space comes your sankalpa. And you repeat your sankalpa or intention 3 times now, feeling it emanate from your heart center. And it is here that we complete the practice of Yoga Nidra. And you begin to reawaken to your breath, inviting in a deeper inhale into your lungs. And you reawaken to your physical body, exploring yourself with small movement. And like a ripple in a pond, your breath initiates more breath. And your small movements initiate larger ones, until you find yourself in a full stretch, feeling into the length of your body. And then you can roll over onto one side or another, bringing your knees towards your chest and taking a few extra moments here before bringing yourself back up to a seat. And as you lift yourself, returning to a seated position, you can place your hands upon your heart, feeling the warmth of your chest on your hands. And we'll close today's practice by saying thank you. Thank you for giving yourself the rest you need and deserve. Thank you for participating. I certainly appreciate it. And thank you for existing, for you are so loved and so cared for. Thank you, and have a beautiful day.